So I got one nest box installed, so I can show some light in there. A little screw right back there. So got one of them done. I'm thinking I'm gonna hang the other one right there, and then maybe I'll get a little step up to them or something like that, so they can crawl from the ground up if they don't fly up. So I'm gonna get that one right over there and put it here right now. Oh, just like that. There is the other nest box. I'm gonna grab some hay, put them in these two, and then I'll get a ladder to stick up to them if needed. So I'm gonna grab some hay and then I'll put it in there. Just like that, they're all put back in. So I'm gonna grab some boards to stick up here so they can walk up into the nest boxes. So yeah. Alright, this is the $5 DIY nest box. Just made it today. Just took 5-gallon buckets and then put them, screwed them into the wall, and then for a little roost here for them to get up, I just screwed in to the bucket. You can see one right there. Just went in to go in to use one to lay an egg. So yeah, like I said, this is $5. You can make it yourself for free if you already have a bucket around. But yeah, this is the $5 DIY nest box.